Roman law is one of the cornerstones of the Western legal tradition and a testament to the enduring power of ideas. From its humble beginnings in ancient Rome, this intricate legal system spread throughout the vast Roman Empire, shaping the legal landscape of Europe and beyond. The legacy of Roman law isn't confined to dusty legal texts. Its principles of justice, individual rights, and the rule of law continue to resonate in courtrooms and legal systems worldwide. Roman law wasn't a static system, but rather a dynamic and evolving body of legal principles that adapted to the changing needs of Roman society. From its early roots in the 12 Tables, a collection of fundamental laws inscribed on bronze tablets, Roman law evolved over centuries, incorporating new concepts and principles as the Roman Empire expanded and encountered new cultures and legal traditions. The genius of Roman law lay in its ability to strike a balance between flexibility and consistency, ensuring that justice was administered fairly and impartially throughout the empire. The Roman Empire itself, with its vast geographical reach and diverse population, played a crucial role in the dissemination of Roman legal principles. Roman law fostered stability and facilitated trade by providing a common legal framework for the empire's disparate peoples. At the heart of Roman law's enduring impact lies its emphasis on codification, a concept that revolutionized legal thought. Unlike earlier legal systems based on custom and tradition, Roman law was systematically compiled and organized into written codes. These codes, such as the 12 Tables and later the monumental Corpus Juris Civilis, made the law accessible, predictable, and applicable to all Roman citizens, regardless of their social standing or geographic location. This emphasis on written law promoted consistency and transparency in legal proceedings, ensuring that justice was administered fairly and impartially. Central to Roman legal thought was the concept of the rule of law, which held that even the emperor was not above the law. The rule of law, as conceived by the Romans, meant that all citizens were subject to the same laws and entitled to the same legal protections. The codification of Roman law and the principles it embodied had a profound impact on the development of Western legal systems. Grounded in principles of universal justice, Roman law wasn't applied uniformly across the empire. The Roman legal system acknowledged distinctions based on citizenship, with Roman citizens enjoying greater rights and privileges than non-citizens. Roman citizenship, a highly valued status, afforded individuals certain rights and protections, including the right to own property, engage in commerce, marry other Roman citizens, and seek justice in Roman courts. Roman citizenship, a prized status, granted individuals specific rights and protections. These included owning property, conducting business, marrying fellow Roman citizens, and seeking justice within the Roman courts. Non-citizens, on the other hand, were subject to different laws and often had limited legal recourse. Despite these limitations, Roman law did offer some protections for non-citizens. The concept of the law of nations, jus gentium, emerged to address legal disputes involving foreigners or transactions that crossed borders. Based on principles of fairness and common sense, this body of law applied to both citizens and non-citizens, demonstrating a degree of legal sophistication and a willingness to adapt Roman law to the realities of a diverse empire. As the Roman Empire transitioned into the Byzantine Empire, its legal traditions continued to evolve. Legal traditions continued to develop. Justinian's Code, a monumental compilation of law, became a cornerstone for legal systems in the East. Justinian's Code served as a foundation for Eastern legal systems. Fast forward to the Renaissance, and we see a revival of Roman legal principles in Western Europe. We see a resurgence of Roman legal principles in Western Europe. Scholars and legal experts pored over ancient texts, rediscovering and reinterpreting the wisdom of Roman law. Roman law is often symbolized by the figure of Lady Justice, blindfolded and holding scales. This imagery encapsulates the ideals of justice and impartiality, but the reality is often more complex. Roman law had to navigate a diverse and expanding empire, grappling with a multitude of local customs and legal traditions. It was a complex system, not without its flaws and contradictions. The influence of Roman law is readily apparent in today's legal systems. Many modern legal concepts, such as contracts, torts, and property rights, have their roots in Roman law. Civil law traditions, particularly in Europe and Latin America, owe much to the codifications that began in Rome. Even common law systems, such as those in the United States and the United Kingdom, have been influenced by Roman legal thought. The legacy of Roman law extends beyond the courtroom. It has influenced the development of Western political philosophy and our very concept of justice. The Romans' emphasis on written laws and legal precedent has shaped how societies understand and apply the rule of law. As we reflect on Rome's enduring impact, it becomes clear that its legal innovations have left an indelible mark on our world, shaping the very fabric of modern civilization.